Mantemu bi adwuma titiru a woye eye afare adwuma no. Enya de a obi hwe kwan se bibi foforo ana se bibi pabi ebepiefe. Nanso se hyebre ehia adwumaden a okuni etimi epeja.
This is a different round again. Both almost relying on Jan.
Say Professor Azuma Nelson eba beye okuni no. Enya de a na etafo. Enne na me wo dwumedie. Yede utu kwan akọ ebra abemue ehyasie na opene nan agina so. Ura Emmanuel Taylor ene Madam Comfort and what Jamestown ene wo abemue na eyade a wo hu bibi sonko efa abemue.
De España está peleando a Azuma Nelson que salió con todo.
Ura soa a edin adodo na ade frɛ no eye cassava enso eye Azuma Nelson wofa
from titi minana abaya ni nana kanswa ye wo Azuma no oh me sometimes minana kwa me know how to call my nana but sometimes we can say minana kwa ya ni ana odem God be abeka no abeba true tam ye wo Azuma na Azuma ni ye no o jini ni Azuma what mana de bi otiani ikonya what Azuma to asa no two man brother Azuma best one oye do mama brother Azuma best one and Badwam the boy the man grandmama saw that this boy the person this boy will be. This boy had a love from infancy. He had a love from the Almighty God. I don't know, but my grandmama saw it and started singing this song for him. So we knew that where he's now.
Brani maame ne papa aware mu ohaw esori ya wontemu etete ye no eyade a ono enofa no ena ohwe no timber market eye bia na brabo ne dodo eho eno bon
ni pa etela oye duma wo CMO company amu na pama de omu wo to that time might broke here no Azuma to me stand and call if ono dwani ebe bra my do papa ni mami my do broke here my do say when say mama you na do no on tun drama probi no betra
Ura soa eye Azuma manager na odikan na nyaade ne we be fida ebra na one Azuma Nelson te ifi
but boy no troublesome cool you say we too troublesome troublesome thank you just we do we mo ka ko yo akosu me ko yo akosu odan ha obe fi so bo no fi na come di no be bedi we say osu ko Napolabi yo no that team say that time am before no fan no na Napolabi so the praises for no fan or no to come praises now na mu ye dan papa there two coach friends na mu ko we be call ni camp now we are man no more sugar milk now we are doing one call Bema camp now to am no more the secret no mo aba wo mu tis o mu ya ice water me ka ona more than drum amuko yo hakosu odan ono na otwa ono a che takwa amuko ntoko amweku ntoko wa sana obe ba be ka tie se sa na banya se na ni ku kono time otati ni ko da na gben kobo no gbe ni tin o ko no go jae o da ko be from one that from a program do class 3 and class 4 na be got a lot time o jae
enam se ono enoye abakan ewo ememu enum emuntini na asudie kese na edana trisu
obi a obeki Azuma tem ke onye akomadin a ebia di Azuma ye no ontumi ye ate Azuma de ne kuma edi ate Azuma ko e ma power no se oferi ade esu ni timu edi ntimadi eso otumije nyema wotumu a ye bo nkoma ebe woma se we se o ye din za no otumije za de ade bia se ye na diko be bi se a na ade bia akomdun kakra otumi dan no so ho bibia na ni giwa otumi dan no na be dan no na de na abedi no dada
wo abakosem a Ashley Morrison etrofa no Azuma Nelson dia okai eni mekai bra na wosusua na yetinu na mehwe won na eye masade enso se mehwe se wadidi amen
mfie ni ena msumisi wo eni ya mfie o jonchemu ena msumisi wo ha ndi ase enyina ebo mu bibia
bra na oswampo na oye adwuma huduo nyina se oto nkube eni adwuma na ento aso mu nyina Professor Azuma Nelson edi oyonkofo anokwafo ena etwa ne ho ahia te se daako dodu a oni ni bo mu enyiye ewo empotamu ba
be ma ansa akwai obe dati champion wo box mu se etinye bi ba ogo bi a yeke no ena one penny so ye kan nyina nipa ni se no ho se osuje no ndi o se be no si tada na efe mi ye fitu da every day na mi pay na te mo and we say akwai be jingo peni osuje no e wa ni bi ba je no so obo no ma obi awo owo park no so paze na park no wa se ya onu tell life here ni ni tibudinki on three oju kata tuwa on kata dinding kata boko eji wa cheni yombo a de wa kanu untie oju no on kata bio ma waki asie on kata na wa kata
nokre wo mu ni se wuba bukom na wonye krado se wobeko a enkope ntokwa na sa ntokwa yi mu bi ena ema abrantie enya akwanya ene ne hyebre ebo empunimpu.
One day I was in my mother's family house and a trainer with a small boy like 6 years. I asked the coach that is this boy a boxer? He said yes. And I said, but I can beat him. And he said, no, you can't beat him. I said, okay, then let's fight. And he said, no, I should come to the gym. So the following day I went to the gym with my friends. Coach, I'm here. So I said, okay. So he went and put the gloves on us, and they took us into the, we don't have ring then, they just put some line, 4 square line, and then we start fighting. And the guy beat me.
Wobre di kan okontokwa no ye bono butro bi a enya ade ane wure befi e wona brabo mu da biara owura so a ye frɛ no Kasave e yada oboa Azuma Nelson wo kwanwiase nyina eso
put mo na say we attend professional atache on do mo amateur want to be on the show mo ti there bi mo play mo ye man so then so we akwara say ye fienu yo fienu scan ye no bi onya doc sada enti be mutu ye no professional enti I'm sure yeah enti I'm sure yeah oh na I'm sure oh no je di me from graphic officer Keleba straight to Ghanaian Times. From graphic straight to Ghanaian Times. Oh, become a same mom. No Mugian, professional man. No more announced it came to the papers. That's why I turned to professional and the manager is WS and Kasava.
Na anche ena odeni hu ekodom akutuku boxing academy eho eno nya entity epa e wa akutuku bom.
Anche bia ena yenya obi oje ota boxer. So onya champion. And they are a good trainer. And over fan, and then the call Akutuku Academy.
Owura amakai amata few. Na oye oswafo dada ewo agudie asoye. Ewo afe apem ahankron ne aduo wotwe.
Akutuku Academy was a club that was formed by the late Atukwe Clotte, and that is where these young, very anxious to prove how good he was. This is where this young man was taken.
Na se obenya akwenya era professional stage eyade a Don King ehyehyɛ ntokwa bi nanso nia no okoko ntokwa no wantimi ango na nyaade obetimi aba enti ne ba ne se ewo se enimanimu na onya obi edisia na Me Woho dwumedie da se ne ebesan aba okwe.
Only boxing can make this country great.